What's up, guys? Got the Vendetta out. We're about to head out to make a run with it. Wanted to just say a couple of quick things before we get out here and make a run. This time we're going to run it on 4S China Hobbyline batteries. Guys, Chris over at MK1 sent me these batteries, and we're going to make a run with the 4S single pack on the Vendetta this time. I just want to say thanks again, Chris. It was an awesome deal, and I really appreciate it. Speaking with the China Hobbyline, guys, they have come on board and are going to sponsor the channel. I don't know any of the real details yet, but we'll be getting some CNHL batteries to test on my speedrun cars, or to use on the speedrun cars. So I'm looking forward to that, and I want to say thank you to Paul over at Right Place for putting me in contact with the right folks to make that happen. So thank you, Paul. Paul's been a supporter of my channel since day one, and me his. So thank you so much for that. And guys, we'll get into the runs. I'll have links to all of these guys in the description. So go check them out. Definitely check CNHL out. They always have batteries on sale, guys. And we'll get straight into the run. Here it is. Thanks for watching. Got the Vendetta out here. We're gonna send it down the road and try to make a run here. We're running on a single 4S CNHL pack that my buddy Chris sent me from MK1 Engineering, guys. Right there. I'll have a link down below to Chris's channel. You guys check him out. He does some excellent speedrun stuff with the Typhons and open wheel GT stuff, super fast. So definitely check him out. But we're going to get it down there. Our PB on 4S with this car, different motor. I'm running the stock motor, and it's not really 4S rated, but we're going to send it down anyway, see what it'll do, and see if we can beat the 112 that we got last time on 4S. So let's get her down here. Maybe we can get it while there's a break in traffic here. Zeroed out, picking up. All right, guys, here we go. Wait on these cars here. See what we did. Got a little squirrely down there. Boy. All right, guys. Still picking up. Stop. Read. 114, guys. New PB on the Vendetta. That was awesome. 2,772 feet. So great run. Fan is running, so awesome pass. 114 miles an hour, CNHL single 4S pack. Thank you, Chris. Got my PB on the Vendetta, and we'll keep pushing at it. No gear change on that. That was the same gear that we had in the 3S passes, so I'll check the logs. I did empty those when we got home last time, so I should have a good log in there so we can take a look at it, see what it did. Anyhow, guys, check the links down below, and we will see you in the next one. Thank you for watching. Y'all have an awesome day.